Yo, why are you guys not using rebate sites? I mean, this is pretty much common knowledge now. Everyone does it, especially in the retail arbitrage space.
Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives. You want to know something? We're going to help you guys get there too.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Yo guys, what's up, man? It's your Dropshipping Terminator. Me and my partner, the Dan of Steel. We talk all about that e-commerce life, baby, all about that Amazon FBA, private label dropshipping, just e-commerce, man, Shopify, all that stuff. If it sounds good to you, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, stick around for a little bit because we're gonna drop that knowledge on you, baby, and get into the free Facebook group. It's free. Get in there, we drop some more knowledge on you. We hook you up, man. We try to all, be positive in there, try to give you a little insight on what you guys need to do to start making money online. So let's talk about rebate sites, guys. It's not just for the retail arbitrage space. If you're shopping online, you should probably be using rebate sites because you get cash back, or in some cases like 25 to 50% off of your purchase. It's stupid not to. And let's go ahead, let's talk why. Why should you be using rebate sites? Guys, you're like getting nice discounts and stuff. And sometimes you get things for free. Like who doesn't like free? Like you get 5% cash back. I think JCPenney's right now is doing 6% cash back. And they're going out of business, so most of their stuff is on sale. Like, what? 6% cash back and most of this stuff is on sale already? Like, yo, you can get some serious gear and get some money back on that. Especially if you're somebody that like to shop. I mean, think about it. Like, if you spend a few $100s, like that really does add up. Comes back to you in your pocket. Like I said, you're already shopping online, so go ahead and take the initiative. Like, why wouldn't you? I mean, so let's talk about like what should you be using? What site should you use? Like where? Mr. Rebates, number one. Oh, I can't say number one. We use eBates, but we're gonna get into that. Mr. Rebates is a pretty good site. Mr. Rebates has a lot of things going for it. Okay, Mr. Rebates is awesome. There's eBates and Top Cashback. Top Cashback, we don't really use too much. It's mainly, from what I've seen, a lot of retail arbitrage people use it, and it does help. It helps them with all of their back end margins. So for us, like, we don't necessarily use it. As a normal individual, you can use it. But for me, I use eBates and Mr. Rebates, especially eBates a lot because of, like Tire Rack, and there are certain things when I'm shopping online for the kids, like Gap, Old Navy, all that stuff. I like wearing Gap gear, guys. Like, it feels good. I literally don't own any Gucci. I don't own any Louis Vuitton. I don't own any of that stuff. Like, it's just not me. Okay, like, I like being comfortable, and like, that Gucci doesn't necessarily make shirts for people that lift. They don't have like a lot of stretchy material. So like getting a Gucci shirt, I'm probably gonna be stiff and look real uncomfortable. So yeah. But anyway, that's what, like eBates is good for that. eBates is good for people like me, normal everyday people that do their shopping online. I mean, if you guys are ordering, like groceries or something, hey, congratulate, like especially toilet paper and paper towel, like, yo, use eBates or Mr. Rebates. Because you're getting that cash back, or in some cases you're getting a discount. Like 10-15% off is a pretty big deal, especially when you guys are buying in bulk. I buy a lot of my paper towel and toilet paper and stuff in bulk. I want to get like 20 something rolls. I got kids, bro. Like, the kids go through paper towel like it's nothing. They use like 60 pieces of paper towel to dry their hands when they wash them. Like, it's just a huge waste. But hey, it is what it is. They're kids, that's what they do. It helps save money, guys. Like, that's what it's all about. Like, we're all about making money here. We definitely want to make money, all right? Make tons and tons and tons of money. But you also should be trying to save money where you can, okay? It's not just about going out, hustling, drop shipping, all the things. Like, you should be doing things on the back end in your day-to-day life that kind of help out with that, okay? If you're just so focused on one area that you can't see the minute details where you could pick up some of the slack, then you gotta fix it, okay? You gotta stop focusing so much on that and start seeing the big picture, okay? I know what they say, like, a penny saved is a penny earned. It's still just a penny. But in cases like this with normal everyday people, an extra, $20, like that could be a big deal, man. You might have a bill to pay. So if you do a lot of online shopping, let's say, you get a check from eBates, you get like $100 and something check. Like, what if you got to pay your light bill? Your light bill might be $112, and that check from eBates is $112. Like, that could be, pretty life changing. That's money that you don't have to figure out where to come up with or try to push that bill off to your next payday or something like that. So Guys, make sure you're using rebate sites, all right? You don't have to use them, but I highly recommend them because they will help you. But if you guys have any questions, man, make sure you reach out. You guys already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Get into the free Facebook group. I already said it before. You should know. And yeah, man, be safe, be smart. Don't be out there doing things you ain't got no business. I do believe they got prophylactics on there. So if you guys are, doing the grown-up stuff, make sure you get some of those. You might get like 5% cash back if you buy some of the good ones, all right? So that way you can be safe out there and not have kids that use up all your freaking toilet paper and paper towels. All right, let me catch y'all. Peace.
Dip back the way the hair slam the track, make it hard to adapt. Dip back the way the hair slam the track, make it hard to adapt. Dip back the way the hair slam the track, make it hard to adapt. Dip back the way the hair slam the track.